everyone, welcome to another Outbreak Alert video. This is Boumediene Kadour from the FortiGuard Labs team, and today we're shining spotlight on a critical threat, an actively exploited vulnerability in Fortra GoAnywhere MFT, identified as CVE 2025-135. For more information about this CVE, you can just click on the CVE ID. You can have several information about it, and also you can click on this link here, which will take you to NIST website, which has more information about the CVE itself. Basically, GoAnywhere MFT is a tool that many businesses rely on for secure file transfers. But a serious vulnerability has been discovered, and cyber criminals are not wasting any time. And this is not something theoretical. It's not a theoretical threat, but it's something that is happening right now. And attackers are leveraging this weakness to gain initial access to sensitive network, which can lead to different kind of attacks like data theft or ransomware, and even significant business disruptions. And if your organization uses GoAnywhere MFT, you need to take this very seriously. If we go to threat intelligence, our globally deployed sensors already observed several attack attempts. As you can see here, we have different indicators of compromise, including not limited to IP addresses, domain names, and file hashes. Also, if you take a look at the attack ratio, you can see hundreds of attempts are being conducted, which means, or which indicates, that threat actors are actively leveraging these vulnerabilities. Also, it's very organized. Like you can see, we have the top targeted countries. You can see whether your country is impacted or not. And also, we have top targeted industries. So you can familiarize yourself with these indicators of compromise. You can go to the next pages, etc. From a solution perspective, basically, we have the FortiGuard Cybersecurity Framework, which is aligned with NIST Cybersecurity Framework. And here, Fortinet offers solutions like FortiGate, FortiClient, and FortiSIEM, and all these solutions and more are fully equipped with the latest threat intelligence to help you detect and respond to this attack. And beyond patching the system, FortiGuard Labs strongly recommend a multi-layer defense, which is a key. And several layers of protection is very important, like, for example, having an intrusion prevention system here. You can see we have the right signature that immediately detect and block this attack. Also, we have FortiClient, which has also a related signature as well. And also, it's vital to monitor indicator of compromise. From a detection perspective, you can use these indicators of compromise to sweep your environment to search for any potential or possible compromise. And these IOCs are basically the digital breadcrumbs that attackers leave behind, which is something really crucial to search for. And also, from a response perspective, as I usually mention, we have our skilled professionals who can assist you to search for any possible compromise, or even if you are impacted and you know that the attack is there, they can do the needful to respond to the attack. From the analysis perspective, for more in-depth information, you can refer to an article from the vendor here, the Fortra.com, and also you can take a look at Microsoft investigation of the active exploitation of this CVE as well. At the end, I would like to invite you to subscribe to FortiGuard Outbreak Alert to stay informed about the latest cyber threat. Thank you.